Hello, hello, hello. Today we're going to take a look at how to submit assignments through Google Classroom. Some of you got it like that, but some of you, and it's understood why, are a little confused about the differences between sharing and Google Drive and Google Classroom. So today we're going to see the way to turn in assignments through Classroom so that all of your teachers, not just me, are getting all of their assignments that you're working so hard to complete. Let's take a look. Bigger. When you are presented with your Google Classroom, you'll see that assignments show up in the stream. They also show up on the classwork page, and if they're grouped, they'll be grouped below. So to open assignment, you click on it and click View Assignment. So far, so good. In the assignment, you'll be able to see the due date, the title of the assignment, if there's a disclosed point value, and some other details about the assignment. You can also add class comments if they are enabled by your teacher to ask questions of your classmates, or you can send private comments to your teacher. Be warned, teachers only see private comments when the assignment is graded. The Your Work box is really where you need to be, and you can see that you can add items from Google Drive, from different links that are on the internet. You can attach files like screenshots, or you're able to create new Google documents from your Google Drive. These will all be submitted with the assignment. In this case, there's a worksheet already attached that you can click on, and it will take you into a Google Drive activity where you would complete your activity. And when you're done, close the activity. And here's the most important thing. Your assignment is not turned in until you click the Turn In button. Hit Turn In. It will ask, are you ready to turn in your work? Confirm your turn in, and bada boom, your assignment has been submitted. You'll see that you can unsubmit it if it's before the due date or after, and revise your assignment if you need to, as long as your teacher allows you to do that. So, remember, work is not turned in until you turn it in. So there you have it. Submitting assignments. Cheesecake. See you soon.